AMDG is a year-long program to help strengthen our students' faith and to get them ready for what's next in life, to take them out of their comfort zone, to go through service, to interact with each other in ways that are oftentimes uncomfortable. That's all starting with Evercell, a week-long program on the campus of Boston College.
Students from parishes, high schools, universities, and young adults come. Each day has a different theme, and they're encouraged to use Ignatian exercises to explore their spirituality.
Each day is filled with keynote speakers, discussions with small group, time for prayer, and really just time to explore campus and meet new people. We're all just trying to figure out who ourselves are and what our faith is. It's something that I've just never experienced before. It's been incredible.
You're able to dive deep in your faith, your spiritual or religious life, and go through your formation of faith and figure out where you're at. It encourages a deeper conversation, not only with one another, but within yourself.
It's about having some sort of personal relationship with God, but you can't do it individually. That's why it's so special having a group of people around you that are committed to a very similar goal.
After Evercell, we will then do a year's worth of service that will have a retreat in the middle of. We're going to have plenty of time for reflection, which will ultimately end with walking the Camino in June.
It's a pilgrimage in Spain to walk a part of St. Ignatius's journey. That'll be an opportunity to be in a completely uncomfortable environment to transform our faith.
At home, it's easy to get caught up in being a student. This has really given me the opportunity to work and live simply. You just get to put some of your responsibilities on the back burner and just focus in on you and your relationship with God.